So, hi, my dear friends. Hope you are doing fine. Welcome back. So, today in this video, I am going to show you how to withdraw your Accenture application. So many friends asked me in the comment section that how to withdraw our existing application from the website like that. So, after seeing all the comments, I've decided to do this video. So, first, we have to do what we have to do is we have to log into our existing profile by using all the credentials. So after coming here, we have to enter this the data of our existing profiles. After login, what we have to do, I will show in the video. So please watch all the video to get full clarity how to withdraw your existing application. Let's start the video. Yeah, after giving your credentials, after giving your login credential, you have to give your password also. So it's better you write your password at some place so that you won't forget it. So there will be a multi-factor authentication for all of you. So you can choose text me option. So then you will receive a code to your mobile. Enter it. After entering your code, you will redirect it to Accenture portal. Generally, everyone why are planning to withdraw their existing applications? There might be two reasons. One reason is if they already applied to one job, they are unable to apply for another job. And if they are already applied for one job and the time is lasted for more than 90 days and they still didn't get any response from the HR team, then they have to withdraw the existing application. So then only they can apply for the another job. Okay, in this process, so many people find that it's difficult to withdraw their application. So then I was asked by so many people. So, for withdrawing your applications, what we have to do is after entering into this portal, you will enter into this portal by giving your credentials and password. You have to scroll down. Below, you will find some options like About Us, Contact Us, Alumni, and Privacy Policy. So, I searched the entire policy that there is no direct option for us to withdraw our application from this site. What we have to do is we have to contact HR team of Accenture. So, by contacting to the HR team, they will remove our existing application. It is the only process we have to follow. For that, what we have to do is we have to click on contact us. Then we will be redirected to this new page. After in this page, there are two options for us to contact the HR team. So they've given us this following numbers. So general inquiries, toll free numbers. You can try out to any of these numbers and ask them, explain them your the current situation that we have applied for certain job that we are the time is lapsed more than 90 days. We still not received any confirmation from the HR team. So we are planning to withdraw our existing application. So what is the procedure we need to follow? Like that, ask them. So then they will provide you a solution after asking a few more details about your job ID or anything else. So if the numbers are if it is still not worked means then you can go and you can keep a mail. So we have to by for keeping that mail, what we have to do is send us a question, or we can click on job seekers because we are job seekers. So send us an email. So here what we have to do is send us an email. So you have to give your first name, like this is your first name, and this is second name. Example, I'm typing here example. Okay, and you have to give your email address over here. Whatever the email address you use it to log into this portal, give that email address. So, okay, after that, which country do you belong? Select that country. Basically, India, we people belong. Where is it? I. Iran, Iraq. Okay, India. So you have to here you can write that like this. Hello team, hope you are doing fine. Okay, so I am applied for a job in Accenture company and job ID number. There will be a number for every job. Job ID number is some and since last 90 days I didn't get any response from the team. So and also I am unable to apply for any other jobs due to existence of this job application. So I am planning to withdraw my job application. Can you please suggest me a solution? Regards. Okay, so after typing your problem over here, you have to click on I agree and you have to do some submit. Okay, after once you submitted means then the team concerned team will respond to your problem within 10 to 15 days or 30 days or whatever the given time they have, they will approach you and they will provide you a solution to you. Okay, this is the procedure to follow to withdraw your application existing application from the Accenture portal. There are two options. One is directly to call them from by these numbers. If they responded means it's okay, fine. So if they are not responding, it means what you have to do is you have to send a mail to them by writing your query over here, giving a detailed explanation in a polite way. So then they will respond you back and they will provide you an alternate solution. So this is the procedure. So and going here, there will be another. There is some other area like uh, so, but it's not currently working. I don't think so. Wait, I'll show it. Actually, this is what is that? See, so this is the access application in Accenture company. What will happen means every employee, every working employee have to uh, approach their application through Workday portal. But this Workday portal is not able to see. I already logged in, but it again asking me to log in again. But there will be a Workday portal. In that Workday portal, we can directly remove our existing application through in that way. But I'm not able to see the Workday portal over here. So once again, I'll check on through this. Wait, I'll try to show you. No, it's repeating. It's the process is repeating. Actually, that if we have that option means we can try. Like there will be some in Accenture. What happens means there will be Workday portal. In that Workday portal only, every employee can refer or every employee can apply for another jobs in the Accenture business. The- Okay. So anyway, hope I think this video might be helpful for you all. This is the procedure currently we have. Those are the two options we have. Like following down going into this careers contact us option and there we find two phone numbers. So if those phone numbers are working, you can call to them and ask them for the help. If not means you can keep a mail to them. by giving all the required details and everything, and the team will contact you within a required stipulate time like 30 days or 60 days. So it's after once you submit your query, you have to make an eye on your email. If you receive any email, means you can respond to that. Hope this video is useful for all of you. For if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if your friends who are interested to work in Accenture, and they want to know full about updates about the Accenture portal and Accenture jobs, means refer this share this video link to them. And I'm going to do what is the hiring process in Accenture in coming in my coming videos. If anyone are interested to know about it, please subscribe my channel. Whenever I uploaded a video, you will get a notification. If you subscribe my channel, means thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.